Hello, my name is Janalid Diaz. I present my job, Organs of Speech. Text Snowman. Traduction IPA. Snowman, it was nearly Christmas. Kitty woke up and found that the world was white and magical. Snow, she shouted. Snow for Christmas. She ran outside and danced in the snow. Her brother Eddie came out too. They made a big round snowball and a small one. They put them together and made a huge snowman. On Christmas Eve they looked at the snowman. He waved at them. He was alive. Hello, he said, it's Christmas. Would you like a present? Yes, please. The snowman waved his arms. Silvery crystal snowflakes filled the sky. It was so beautiful. Phonetic device. What is it? It's the set of organs of the human body responsible for generating and spelling the sound that occurs when speaking. Importance. It allows us to produce sounds and in this way establish a conversation with others. Organ of speech. Teeth, teeth, lips, lips, tongue, tongue, uvula, uvula, balloon, balloon, nasal cavity, nasal cavity. Lips are pressed together or in contact with teeth. P and B. Example. Head. Bed. Teeth and tongue. Dental sounds. And example. Wink, this. The nasal cavity, nasal sounds. Example. Mother. Nut. The alphabet IPA. Vowels and consonants. Vowels. A. Example. Cup. Black. A. Example. Arm. Father. Example. Cat. black, exam, met, bed, exam, away, e, exam, hit, sitting, e, exam, c, hit, exam, hot, rock, exam, cold, exam, hot, cool, exam, blue, foot, exam, go, home, consonants, exam, bat, exam, give, exam, how, exam, cat, exam, sing, exam, sun, exam, cheek, exam, beach. Sounds Alphabet IPA Interactive Phonetic Chart. Thanks very much.